Hi, boys and girls. Now let's discuss the fourth element, that is gel or water. Number 4, because it's the fourth element. Then the finger which represents gel or water is right index finger. Organ, of course, kidney and urinary bladder, because water is stored in that. Endocrine gland is thymus gland. Body hole is right eye. Sense organ is tongue. Energy is taste. Tissue is plasma. And other energies included are sound, touch, radiance and taste. And the color is green. So what are the prime features of gel? It has got the cooling effect, that is the main calming effect. It slows down, soft, then it detoxifies, it lubricates. Then how is gel perceived in our lives? Foremost, it is used for binding, creates a binding effect, helps to join things together, have strong cohesive force that binds the molecules together. For example, flour becomes a dough only with water. Then it is rhythmic. Flowing water creates a rhythmic tone, sound, tunes of ocean, river. Cooling effect. Water helps cooling and calming down effect. Lubricating, as I told, helps reducing friction between joints or objects. Then it's flowy, not stagnant, flows into empty space. Moist, makes things wet, moist, soft, sticky. Then if there is lack of moisture, it can create dryness. Cleansing effect. Flowing water will help cleanse and detoxify objects. Let's do a comparison of a thing which has got more gel in it and which has got less gel in it. In case of more gel, it will be more of possessiveness, love, giving, sharing. The person will be too expressive. He'll be able to give whatever he has. Too many friends he will be having because he's very, very loving and caring. Then he'll be into many relationships unnecessarily also, because he will not be able to say no to people. Whereas in case somebody's got devoid of gel, he'll be complaining most of the time. There'll be hatred in that person, keeping things to himself. Then he won't be very expressive, miser in spending money. He'll have very less friends. He'll always have problems in relationships. This is how you can make out if a person has got मोर जेल और लेस जेल. जैसे एक नदी बहती है तो फ्लो करती रहती है, तो कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहता है, सब कुछ स्मूथली चलता है. अगर वही उसी जगह पे हमारा कहीं पानी स्टैगनेंट हो जाए तो वो बदबू देने लगता है. वैसे ही एक रिलेशनशिप में अगर पानी का बहाव जैसा नहीं है तो वो रिलेशनशिप भी बहुत सूखा सूखा हो जाता है, ड्राई हो जाता है. और अगर ऐसा कुछ एक्चुअली में है, अगर जल सूख गया है रिलेशनशिप के बीच में, तो फिज़िकल लेवल में भी आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स दिखेंगी. जैसे जॉइंट्स में पेन आना शुरू हो जाएगा, लोगों में बॉन्डिंग जो है वो अच्छी नहीं रहेगी. डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ वाटर एलिमेंट कैन लीव यू ड्राइड आउट एंड इनफ्लेक्सिबल इन बॉडी एंड माइंड. You may become constipated and bitter. A depletion of the sticky and smooth qualities of water elements leads to loss of ability to connect with others or with nourishment in general. So there are some remedies which you can do. For excess water, exercise is very important. Working up a sweat so that channels become unblocked. Try cough pacifying yoga. Eating dry light foods or cough pacifying diet. Cooking with herbs, ginger, white or black pepper, clove, coriander. These things can help in digestive stimulation. Then spending time in sun or dry climate. Then you can twist postures, are very good for digestion and strengthening them. When water over accumulates in your body, your digestion slows down. You may become dull and insensitive to the situations around you. Excess water leaves you sticky, heavy, excessively emotional or depressed. The wet quality of water element douses your digestive fire. जो डाइजेस्टिव फायर होती है हमारे स्टमक में, जिससे हमारा डाइजेशन होता है, वो कम हो जाती है, बुझ जाती है, विच रिजल्ट्स इन वेट गेन, लैक ऑफ एपेटाइट, sluggishness. You feel very drowsy, sleepy. You might also develop yeast infection or itchy rashes. nausea. All these things can happen if you have over accumulation of water element in your body. So when there is imbalance of water element, you tend to have cold, sinus, asthma, swellings, blood thinning or blood clotting, problem of urination, diseases of reproductive organs. All these things happen if there is imbalance of water element in the body. All bones, they draw nourishment from the energy of kidney and bladder, so very important to maintain the balance of water. The water element stores our collective intelligence and DNA. When the water element is not flowing adequately, even to the point of stagnation in the body, a person will start having putrid body odor. Excess or deficiency of respiration will take place due to that. Water is vital to our existence. The human body is comprised of 70% water and it decreases as we age. It is the one thing we need the most, and the best thing we can do for ourselves on a daily basis is drink more quality water. As we have already discussed that on the physical level, water element is associated with kidney and bladder organs. Kidney is the yin meridian of the water element and urinary bladder is the yang meridian. So kidney stores the essence of life force energy that is inherited from our parents. So kidney essence is dependent on their energy at the time of conception. It's believed that once one has depleted their kidney energy through age or overactivity, it cannot be replenished. However, using acupuncture and energy medicine tools on a daily basis, we can balance our energy and strengthen our kidneys. We can even use color therapy to strengthen the kidney points. It so happens that kidneys dominate water metabolism by regulating the flow and amount of water in body. It is this flow of water that enables the body to collect and excrete waste and toxins to its partner, the urinary bladder. The pure water is sent to the lungs. The kidney receives chi and helps our lungs with respiration. Kidney houses willpower, mental aspect that pertains to focus, concentration, thinking, memorization, and long-term memory. Willpower is the basis for the mind and mind directs willpower. If the mind is confused, willpower will lead to confusion, lack of drive, and poor initiative, causing one to be discouraged. If the mind is strong, then one will have the willpower, drive, ambition, determination, and clarity to pursue their goals. Emotionally, kidney chi is depleted most through fear, shame, insecurity, phobias, anxiety, and then suspicion. Physical signs that kidney energy is out of balance includes like lower back pain, hip pain, frequent urination, osteoporosis, tinnitus, ear infection, hair loss, early graying of hair, infertility, then eye problem, and much more. It has been scientifically proven that our body is made up of 70% water. And otherwise also scientists have seen when they had given some good instructions to the water had formed some designs which they could see under a microscope. The molecules were checked under a microscope and the designs were very beautiful. And at the same time, when they had uttered some bad words to water, the designs were very putrid. Now we can relate it to the चरणामृत which we get it in temple. हम जब मंदिर जाते हैं हमें चरणामृत मिलता है. वो क्या है? वो एक पानी है जो हर समय अच्छी साउंड लेता है अपने अंदर. हम लोग भजन कीर्तन मंदिर में चलता रहता है और वो सारा एब्जॉर्ब करता रहता है और फिर वो हमको वो जो चरणामृत देते हैं वो हमको प्योर करता है अंदर से. सेम आप अपने घर में अगर कोई मंत्रा जाप करते हैं, जैसे ओम की चैंटिंग करते हैं, हम महामृत्युंजय करते हैं, हनुमान चालीसा करते हैं, तो एक पानी शीशे के ग्लास में आप पानी रखिए और वो उसको सुन, क्योंकि पानी लाइव है, वो सुनता है. वो जो सत्संग हो रहा है या चैंटिंग हो रही है वो सुनेगा और बाद में आप अपने घर में सबको दीजिए. इससे आपका जो वाटर एलिमेंट है वो इम्प्रूव होगा.